as I would like to explain, was a debate between experts in the field and medical oncologists. And it's very interesting to see that the session, this part of the session, was much more evidence-based than evidence-based, meaning that we are still enrolling patients in trials. We cannot make a full statement about it today, but we need to understand that we are considering the use of immunotherapy at every step of the natural history of the disease of bladder cancer. So as I mentioned earlier on, we consider immunotherapy in the metastatic stages. We are a bit disappointed by the outcomes. We are now considering immunotherapy as an adjuvant setting to radical cystectomy. And we have positive signals coming from phase 2 and phase 3 trial, letting us think that it could be a solution or an option in patients with very, I would say, aggressive outcome after the pathological assessment. So we need more mature data to make a definitive statement and to incorporate that as a game changer into the guidelines.